To part 2 of a dog who wants a friend. Yeah, let's get started. Since I'm making a dog who wants a 3 next week, I gotta get this done. So yeah, I gotta get there. There's his house. Oh, why? Ow! Why are you doing this? Because I can, and it looks like your friend's here. So let's put you in the ray. Oh, come on, Apollo, save me. Hey, what are you doing?
Putting you in the ray like boss asked.
Eh.
Anyways, enjoy.
Squawky. Apollo, what? How long were you here? Why? What were you doing? Dun 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 dun. Dum de dum de. Flashback. Dun de dun de dun de dun de dun. Dun de dun de dun de dun de dun. Look, someone's coming. Hide.
No one's here.
Yep, nothing happening.
Okay.
Come on, let's get out of here before he sees us. Yeah, it's kind of nice. Come on! There's a vent right here. That's how I got in. Okay. I guess I have to.